guys, it's Vishali. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you want to experiment with your body art without permanently altering your skin, a temporary tattoo is the way to go. You can make your own temporary tattoo with just a few household supplies and items from the craft store. So here I'm going to show you two different techniques for making temporary tattoos using eyeliner and a ball pen. So these are a few more things that we need: a ball pen, eyeliner, perfume, talcum powder and any ointment. So the very first thing that we are going to do is take any perfume and spray it on cotton pad and rub the area where you want to apply the tattoo. Now we need to draw the design on skin. So here I'm not drawing any design, just writing a text, a simple text. So take your time and make sure the design or text is applied exactly how you want it to look like. So if you don't like it, you can wash it off and start over. You can draw your tattoo on any part of your body, but areas without a lot of hair might be easier to work with. Make sure the skin is clean and dry when you draw your design. As you see, I'm overwriting the text, so same way you need to overwrite the design so it will look bolder. Now we need to sprinkle some powder on this tattoo, so you can use any talcum powder or baby powder if you have. So sprinkle over the tattoo like this and then tap the area where you have applied the tattoo, and then we need to clean this powder with any cotton pad. So this is how you need to clean the powder. So this is the first step, and the same step we need to repeat for 3 to 4 times. So this is the second time I'm repeating this step. So overwrite the design or your text like this. So again we need to sprinkle the powder, tap it over the tattoo and just clean it with any cotton pad like this. Then again rewrite the tattoo, the design, and again we are going to reapply the powder on it. So this is the 4th time I am repeating the same process. It's up to you. If you want, you can repeat the step for more times. So I guess 4 to 5 times are okay. Sprinkle some powder, tap it over the tattoo and then remove it with the cotton pad. Now we need to apply an ointment. So here I'm using Vaseline ointment on this tattoo. So apply it like this. If you do not have ointment, you can use hairspray if you have. Just spray the area where you applied your tattoo and it will hold your tattoo for a long time. So this is how this temporary tattoo going to look. This is a temporary tattoo, but if you take good care of it, it can last longer, for a week or so. Just to show you guys how this tattoo will look after washing it with water, I have done this small test on it. So as you see, because of the ointment, apply it on the tattoo, it's secure and nothing happened. So after pat dry, you can see the difference. I'll show you the difference after pat dry. This is how it's going to look. So I believe if you apply ointment repeatedly on it, then it can last longer for 2 to 3 days or maybe a week or so. And I guess a permanent marker instead of ball pen would be a better option. Let's check out the other way to make the tattoo at your home. So here we're using eyeliner. So first of all, spray some perfume on any cotton pad and rub the area where you want to apply the tattoo, and then draw a basic design or the text that you want, and then we are going to use the eyeliner over this design. So this is the basic design we are drawing with pen. So once you are done with making the basic design, sprinkle some powder on it and clean it with cotton pad. So now we are going to apply the eyeliner. Here I have this liquid eyeliner which is waterproof. If you do not have any liquid eyeliner, you can simply use the pencil liner. It doesn't have to be the waterproof eyeliner. So apply it like this on the basic design. Sprinkle some powder on it and dab it over the tattoo, and then clean it with cotton pad. This step is actually optional. If you don't want to do this, it's okay. After this, I'm going to apply the perfume. You can use any perfume. Just spray any perfume on this tattoo. That black thing you see in the cotton pad is the ink that we applied in the very first step for drawing the basic design. As you see, this liner is as it is. There is nothing happened with the eyeliner after applying the perfume. So this is how it's going to look. And after this, we can just apply the normal ointment. I'm using Vaseline ointment here. Again, for this tattoo also I did a small test to see if after washing with water it will remove or not. You can see this tattoo is still there. So I guess this eyeliner tattoo also works. This tattoo will last about a day before it begins to smudge. So just to remove this tattoo, you need to wash it with warm or soapy water and it will get removed. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys in the next video.